Hello guys, so welcome to the step-by-step how to install polystyrene ceiling course. Thank you very much for purchasing this course, and let's get started. And first of all, one thing I will tell you is that there is nothing that will work for you except you apply them. What that simply means is that as you take this course, take the course on how to get clients for your polystyrene ceiling design, and I can bet you by 100% that you will milk money out of this skill that you are trying to learn. So let's get started now. If you are already a POP ceiling designer and or any other ceiling designer at all, you know this process already. So the first thing is to install your scaffolding. After installing your scaffolding, you take your level. So this is the level that you are taking. Wait patiently, watch this video till the end. If you can watch a full movie, then what about learning something, or what about spending less than 1 hour to learn a skill that will help you make good money? Just as I told you in the introduction, this is one of the most lucrative selling options that many people are gravitating towards. We have gotten clients from many countries. In fact, as I make this course, we are working for clients based in Switzerland, and we are here in Nigeria working for
After
her.
taking your water
This
level,
means
then
this skill
you
is
move
in
to tap
high
the line.
demand. This skill is in high demand, and you should make sure you watch every step of the way. I do not
So you move
include
to tap
unnecessary
your
details here,
line.
so you don't have
Now
the
this is a
fear of
course,
watching
so
video
I
that
am not going to
have
forward this so
nothing
that
to do with
it will move
polystyrene
fast. So
ceiling
just
design.
wait patiently,
So you
even if
take
you
your
know all
level.
this process
So as you
already.
can see in this video, you are taking your level. Watch this video attentively. The voice you are going to be hearing sometime are going to be some serious information that will be chipping in. So after taking your level, you nail, or you knock your nail, or nail your wall to use it as a support for the polystyrene ceiling. It is just the same like POP. It is just the same process like POP or any other ceiling. If you are a contractor, yes, this is the process, so that when your workers are on site working for you, you are not a total novice. So very important. So you knock, you nail. Now, if you are watching this, please leave a comment below. Leave a comment below. After taking this course, leave a comment below. Let me know how comprehensive, or let me know if you understand the step by step how everything is going here. Again, I will remind you, this video is lengthy, but don't skip, because every step of the way matters. Also, if you are watching this as any kind of bonus or any kind of content, please make sure that you watch the second part before you act on this, like the normal way of putting step that you are looking at. If not, you are going to be making some serious mistake that will land you into trouble or into loss. Yeah, of course, if you know if you are a contractor already, you know how much it costs. You know how much it costs when you get into losses with POP or any ceiling contract. So I don't want you, and of course I know you don't want it. That is why you decide to take this course. So the process that you have to put eye on now, for many people it is simple. So now after taking your level, you knock your nail, the next thing you do is to cut your ceiling. Yes, you have to cut your ceiling, except you are doing it plain. You have to cut your ceiling. Is very, very technical. So just like POP, so you mark it just as just you like POP or plasterboard ceiling. You measure. But this time, you know, this one is so wide. Here we are measuring 60 cm. So as you can see, you do it this way. So this is how you do it. Now, so it is not compulsory that you do it this way. So you begin. You can also mark now, unlike the two sides and put something like a range on it and mark it. If you bend your saw with polystyrene, you are now cutting your polystyrene ceiling. Will be bent. You are not cutting your polystyrene ceiling now. So with polystyrene ceiling, your saw have to be straight. If not, it will give you issues. You must make sure that the saw is placed upright, very straight. So your saw must be straight, and then continue to cut it. Don't try to break it because you see that the material is light. If you try to break it like that, you are going to spoil that material. So we just divide this into two. Because we want to put half of the polystyrene round. So the dimension of this particular one you are looking at is 2 meters by 1.2 cm. But there are different sizes there. We have the one of 1.2 by 3 meters, 1.2 by 2.4 and the rest. So depending on the one you want to buy. So this is the process. Just look at the process very well. This is the process. Then you cut it. If you are watching by any chance, if you are watching this as a free content, which of course is not, this is a full course. Again, make sure that you get to watch the part 2. This one is very basic. The part 2 is where all the technicalities are. Of course, if you are taking this course, also remember you can ask me any question. Make sure that you watch all the videos step by step. Dimension. So you can ask me any question that you want to ask me. It can be after it can be 20, even 10. So you bring your that's about the cutting and the dimension. Exactly how you do POP, your scaffold, the gashing. And then you start laying it on your range. You start laying it on your range. So you start laying them on your range. So you mount. It's very light. Your polystyrene panel on this
It is very light.
range. Now, if you are enjoying
So
this
you are laying
course
them
so far,
on
please
your
drop a comment below so that other people
range.
who will be seeing it will know how this video have helped you become a polystyrene ceiling designer. Now you measure.
And if you have any off, or if you have any short place, you measure them.
Take your measurements
and then
you cut.
and then cut it and put it inside, just like any other ceiling. So you put it inside. Make sure that it fits.
I tell you. Oh, the cake here our platform. Il a mis d'avis. Ah. François quoi un François be abi dole facile. E be yo. Ye baba. Ye baba re be o ye no. E do e joro u bi o bi be.
You do the same thing for the other side.
So you measure it again.
You do the same thing for the other side. Of course, for many people who are already POP ceiling designer, this step is normal. This step is already normal for you. But I ask you, make sure you watch it, every minute of it. Of course, we are going to be getting to the gain side, where the people of any skill, like how to sell your skills. In fact, I can say this is where I am a master. Yes, I can sell POP skill. Yes, I can sell polystyrene ceiling design skills. I'm very good at it. Don't worry. By the time you start taking the lessons on how to sell, you get to discover that. Yeah. So continue. So now, so that to make sure that your lines are straight, you have to, or if you wish,
so you put your line. Now here
put
it
a
is
line
optional,
on
but
it,
it is a very
and
good
know
practice.
if it is straight.
It is optional, but it's a very good practice that when you are doing your ceiling, you put line to make sure that everything.
The same thing for both the two sides.
Sorry. You hold the line for it to make sure that it is in line with.
Hold your line for it, and then once it is straight, make sure that everything is straight, so that you will not be having some gallop in other places. Now, it is very important for me to let you know at this point that polystyrene, when polystyrene bend or when polystyrene ceiling have a bend, it is very hard to repair. So you have to make sure that everything is straight. Then, after putting your line, you draw your fillers. After putting your lights, you draw your fillers. So you put your gash inside, just like normal POP. Then you mix your gash with POP cement, of course. Mix your POP cement gash. And then you start gashing. You either go up to gash it or you gash like normal POP. Down. So as you can see, you gash like normal POP. If the place is tall, you can have somebody inside the noggin. But if it's short, you can do it all alone. You continue to gash. Gash it like POP. It is advisable, though it does not take much of gash, or it doesn't have to take much gash before it's hold. It is just advisable that you gash it like POP. Continue to gash. Now I'm looking at it from up. I went inside the noggin, so I'm looking at it from up. I went inside the noggin so that you will look at it very well how we are putting them. This is very important for this tutorial. That is why I have to do it. I have to look at it from the noggin, see where we are putting it, see how we are putting everything. See how we are putting everything. So you continue to gash. So please look at where all the gashes are. See where we put the flat, the position, and then the piquet. See the places we put them. It is very important that you look at them so that you will know how to go about yours. So you continue to gash, then you pull your crochet or your hook or your piquet as you may know it to make sure your ceiling hold.
Put them. Look at it very well. So you are hooking your ceiling. I just have to show you the full process.
So if you don't want to waste your
so that
materials,
you know exactly how to go about things. This is a tutorial.
so that your
I'm
materials
not
will not be
gisting you.
wasted.
So it is
So
a
instead
tutorial.
of
So
cutting it the
now
other way,
you are cutting your
it
next
this
ceiling.
way.
Now this is how to
Instead
cut
of
your
cutting the
ceiling
length, you are cutting
if you don't want to waste.
wideness.
Yes. If you look at the measurement and you discover that if you cut it the other way, it will be a waste, then you can cut it this way as well. You can cut it this way as well. So look at how it is as we move towards the end of this particular lesson, which is the lesson number 1. Look at how it is. So this is for you so that you will not waste excess material. You will not have off cuts that you will not be able to use. Again, my name is Lokosu Silver, and this is the lesson number 1. Let's then move to the lesson number 3.